start the class? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Can you know what is the code for this? What is the code for this?
ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ? సరే ఎవరో జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు సార్.
One, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I equals to 1.
What is the first for loop? So here n is equal to
Greater than equals to 4. I plus
n is equal to just 4 here. To make it as an n, think as an n. So what to do for the first line? It is 1. So let think this is in a line. This is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4. This is line numbers. Okay na? In every line, how many numbers it will printed? In the first line, 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. Sir, no? So what is the for loop? You tell. What is the first for loop? First for loop is regarding how many number of lines. How many number of lines?
n సార్.
N. So for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Agree? In the second loop, we need to print in the first line 1 number, second line 2 numbers, third line 3 numbers from beginning from 1. So what is the expected code here? What is the expected code here? For
J
is equal to beginning. What is the beginning number?
1
1. Very good. What is the ending?
I
I is the line number. I is the line number. So instead of 0, you need to start with 1 here. Because we are taking as I less than or equal to n.
yes sir.
I less than or equal to what?
J.
No, j less than or equal to I.
అవును సార్. J less than or equal to I.
J is less than or equal to I. J is increment by 1. So if you print after every line, printf
J
percentage D, you are printing what number? I or J?
J.
So because J value you need to print. Very good. Next, for after every line you print a new line. Backslash n. So this is ending of the loop. So shall we try it? We will check the code. So how many variables you need? How many variables you need?
3.
Int I, very good, J, comma n. So printf, what is the input?
N. Enter n value.
Enter n or n number of lines. What expected score next?
Scanf.
Very good. Scanf, percentage D, comma, tell, ampersand,
N.
Very good. Ampersand n. After that, first for loop is number of lines. Already I told you I is equal to beginning with one. How many number of lines? I less than or equal to n is the limit. I plus plus. Then after that, again for loop
70 వచ్చింది.
or na? That's why I told you today class is very very important for placements. With small changing, this is good na? I will share it in the group. This is pattern 2. Pattern 1, just change it as what is it? Say. Execute it. Enter 5. Okay. This is pattern 2 na? Pattern 1 na? Okay, what is the next pattern? We'll check it. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 in pyramid type. Okay na? What is that? Vinay?
Pyramid type, sir.
Pyramid type means here?
అటు ఇటు స్పేస్
1, 2,
1 1 2 3
1, 2, 3,
2 1
1, 2, 3, 4. Vinay,
Sir.
you can visualize the screen like this.
అదే హాట్స్పాట్
Like this. So here divide the array into like this. Screen, this is screen. You're getting my point? So here I will tell you here like this. I think see this? Actually, it is better. Excel. Right. So initially, how many spaces are there here? If it is 4, this is 1. Okay, na? So this is 1. This is 2. No. This is 1, 2. This is also space. This is 2. Okay, na? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Agree? And this is 1. And this is 2. And this is, I think, okay. This is,
అంటే సార్ అదే దాని పక్కన
no. This is 2. Is correct? 1, 2, 3, a space 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whatever it may be. So in the beginning, in the first line, how many spaces are there, Vinay? How many spaces are there?
In first line, two spaces are 2 spaces.
3
Spaces.
So here in the first beginning, you are writing 3 spaces. In the next line, starting with 2 spaces, 1 space, 0 space. Agree? Then you start printing the number 1 ending with 2. Okay, na? And in between the space is there. Here is 1 space, here is 1 space, 1 space, like this. Yes or no? You give the remaining. Starting with 0, 1 space, 1, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. So can anyone what is the code for this expected code? When you got it?
Yes, sir.
How many lines? What is the first for loop?
5
How
lines.
many lines? What is first loop for I is equal to
I is equal to
1 to n.
n.
So this is for number of lines. Next, unit space. How many first line? 3. So n is equal to 4. It is 3. Yes or no? If n is equal to 5, how many lines? How many spaces?
n minus
So how many spaces you need to print in the line?
n minus
Line number 1, line number 2, and so on.
n minus I.
Very good. You need to print. When you need to print. First print to n minus I spaces. Then you need to print
I.
again a for loop. With 1 to 1 to how many? I and n. I numbers you need to print. So with the number print with the number space na, which we are printing what? J. Is that right? J or I?
J.
A with space na, J and space. So let's try this. Try this in the code. I think this is called explanation. So we will check it with the code.
కోడ్స్ వస్తా జాయిన్ చూడు ఇక్కడ
Let's try. So is equal to Z. Okay. We need another variable K because first line is common. And then so I is equal to the number of lines. J is equal to here another loop for printing spaces. For how many spaces you need to print? K is equal to 1. How many spaces in every line?
n minus
K less than or equal to
n minus I.
n minus I. I is equal to 1. 1 is n is equal to 5 means 5 minus 1 4 spaces like that. Okay na? Vinay, you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
N minus I spaces in each line. Space only. Print F just to print a space. That's it. In the next line, J is equal to J less than or equal to I. Next. See this third one, fourth one. No need. Not fourth one. This is 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4 5. 5 4 3 2
సరే వెళ్తున్నాను.
5
సిగ్నల్
4
రావట్లేదు.
5. This is your
జియో
so what is the expected code?
starting I.
8 is n equal to 5 means this will be printed. So what is the beginning first? What is the first
సిగ్నల్
one?
రావట్లేదు.
I equal to
అది రాంబోతో ఫోన్ చేస్తా.
Tell equal to
n.
n. Yes. What is the first for loop?
I equal to
I is equal to 1 to 1 to n. When I
Sir.
so I is equal to 1 to n is just for number of lines. 5 lines na, it is okay.
Rupees 100 received on PhonePe.
Okay, sir.
What is the second for loop? You need to print first line with 5 numbers, 4 numbers, 3 numbers, 2 numbers, and 1 number. So you
బయట
beginning with what? Which number?
ఏమవుతుంది?
So J is beginning with what? Already told in the previous problem.
వీడియో కాల్ కాదు సార్.
I is equal to n.
No, I already used na. J is beginning with which number? 5. 5 means here. 5 means here.
n.
Very good. J is equal to n2. What is the ending here?
1.
I. Very good, Vinay. J is equal to n2 I. Print J. And a new line. Is anyone having doubt? First loop is number of lines. Second loop is what to print. Beginning with n, every line is beginning with 5. That's why I choose n here. The last number is I. I is 1 to 5 na. So I choose like that. I will. So when I tell me the code, no need of K here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is common, I less than or common. What are the changes? Tell me. When I J is equal to.
N, sir.
Very good. J less than or equal to.
I.
ఇక్కడ J minus
Minus, sir.
Very good. Oh my God. Stop.
Sir, output printed.
J is equal to n. J less than or equal to I.
J minus
Is it okay na? J minus. I did J minus only. 1 2 less than 1 plus beginning.
Sir, percentage D की space ఇచ్చే sir.
No problem, that is not a problem.
సార్ నా ఆ గ్రేటర్
That is
దెన్
not a
ప్లేస్ లో
problem.
లెస్ దెన్ వచ్చిందేమో సార్ లెస్ దెన్ ప్లేస్ లో గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వచ్చిందేమో సార్
Yes. Greater than or equal to. So we need to find out the problems like this. It is greater than or equal to easily identification. Identifier or not? The algorithm is very correct. Algorithm is correct. Yes or no? J is equal to n to 8. That's it. This is called algorithm. You are getting my point? So J is equal to n to I means here decrement, and whenever it is reached to I, you stop it. So that's why J greater than or equal to I. So it is 6. If it is 5, right?
Sir,
How is it? This is called debugging. Along with programming, you need to learn debugging also. Sometimes we made mistakes, we can recover. If you know the logic very well, we can recover very fast. Where is it? Okay. Next program you try and send to me. The stars. 1 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 7 star, 8 star. When n is equal to 5. 1, 3 in pyramid shape. You try and send the program. I will give you 2 minutes. Vinay? Completed? Anyone is completed? Vinay, are you there?
sir.
You tried or not?
Try again.
Your laptop?
Sir.
Check. Goes. First line 1 star, second line 3 stars. Third line. Sixth line, fourth line. Like this. Vinay, what is the first loop? How many lines? Lines, number of lines.
N, sir. N.
Very good. So for
I is equal to N.
1 to n.
1 to N, sir. 1 to N.
1 to n. Then after. Next. The number of stars in increasing by what?
By 2, sir. 2. N minus 2.
3, 5, 7. Here the line number is 1, line number is 2, line number is 3, line number is 4 and so on. What is the line number here? High value. So what about this? How to get these numbers? Can anyone?
Two into I minus 1.
Print. What you are printing? Not I nor J. It is only
Hashtag.
Space.
star.
Stars.
So in between here, you need to manage with spaces. Yes or no? These spaces you need to print na? Yes or no? How many spaces you need to print?
2 into I minus 1.
2 into I minus 1. Okay, we will try. We will try. So I is a beginning with 1. So how many spaces we need to print here? So take another variable k. Another variable k. Another variable k. So here we join another for loop for k is equal to 1 semicolon k less than or equal to 2 star I minus 1. Who told that?
Sir, అది
Not I plus plus. It is
స్టార్ కి సార్
k plus plus. K plus plus. You are printing just
సార్ అది నేను స్టార్ కి చెప్పాను సార్.
the star k. For j is equal to what? 1 j less than or 1 I less than or equal to. Are you there, Vinay?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. 2 star I minus 1 j plus. Depending upon the output you got, you can change the code. So instead of j, we need to print only stars, na?
Yes, sir.
Before going to execute it, we need to check it. Here so there is no gap between spaces, stars, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Stars 1, 3, 5, 7. You check it. So I will become 1, 2 star I minus 1, 1. So here how many spaces we need to print? 2 star I minus 1. Here 2 star I minus 1 or 2 star n minus 1? I think 2 star n minus 1. In the beginning, 9 spaces. We will check it. We will check more spaces here. We will check. I think semicolon is missing. You checked? I think it is not in pyramid shape. Yes or no? Equal number of instead of 2 star n minus what?
Yes.
I may be. We will try for I. You check this? I think you got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the way of dealing patterns. So here, if you put I here, 1 here, every line is having 9 spaces. In first 9, it's more na. Maybe let us check this. I will try for n minus I. Check it. I will check it. 3.
Sir.
Yes, this code is enough, na? K is equal to 1, k less than or equal to n minus I, k plus. Question and answer in the same program, okay? Na? Which one? Here let A, AB, ABC, ABCD, right?
Yes, sir.
A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. What's the question?
A, B, C, A, B,
A,
C.
A, B,
AB.
ABCD. What to do? The I loop is not changed, yes or no? Is number of lines. And J loop is also no change. How many numbers you print, but printing is changed. Can anyone try the code? That pool. Lavanya. Priya. CH. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
సార్ పెట్టే చూడండి సార్ వాట్సాప్లో.
Any doubt, ask me.
వాట్సాప్లో పెట్టే చూడండి సార్. అది మీ కోడ్లోనే చిన్న మోడిఫికేషన్ చేసి పెట్టా సార్.
మొత్తం జరిపించా? You are giving extra na here.
అది అక్కడ 64 పెట్టాలేమో సార్.
Yes, it is correct. Simple logic is here. You are printing J only. J is equal to 1 to I. ASCII value of capital A is 65. So just one instead of 1, 64 is enough now. Adding 64 with percentage C. Anyone got the logic? Vinay?
సార్ లేదు సార్, ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
So here, if I am not using this, 64. Okay na? So previously it is a percentage D. Space. It will print what is the printing here? If I am using 5, 1, 2, 3, 4.
అవును సార్.
So here if you make it as in a 65, it is capital A na?
ఓకే సార్.
1 A. If you want to make it as in a capital A, 65 is ASCII value.
అవును సార్.
65, 66, 65, 66, 67.
67.
So 64 plus I is okay?
ఓకే సార్.
64 plus I. What it will be print? Let's check it. It will print 65. So if we print it in character, is okay na for you?
ఓకే సార్.
Simple changings. Very good. So Priya, CH.
Sir.
So is it okay for you? It is comfortable. We are using the same code repeatedly. But the purpose is different. Can I explain the code once again? The first line is for what? Number of
లైన్స్.
The second line is for how many numbers to be, how many patterns, how many literally.
Letters to be
Letters
printed.
to be printed. In the second line, inside the J loop, what to be printed? Here, if you print J, it will be printing as in a I1. So we need 65 instead of 65. So I'm adding 64 plus J. The percentage C, simple logic, na? Simple logic, yes or no? When I
Yes, sir.
did you like the logic?
Yes, sir.
Logic is very good, na?
అవును సార్.
ఎక్కువ ఐరన్ పడిపోకూడదు కోడింగ్ అంటే.
Some days.
Can I send this? అవునా చేస్తారా?
పెట్టండి సార్,
మేబీ
పెట్టండి.
absent స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు కదా. Is comfortable? Coding is comfortable or not? Tell me. All I told you, this is 1 hour 100 programs. Yes or no? Vinay?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone raising doubt here? Okay, next program. So A, B, C, D, F. Tell me the code, Vinay, in the same code. Not A, B. A. Vinay, you need to answer this question. A, B, C, check the code once again. Check the question once again. A, B, instead of A, B, C, D, 4 times, F, 5 times. Simple changing here. What is the changing? When you need to tell it.
J ప్లేస్ లో ఏ తీసుకుంటా సార్?
అంతే
లాస్ట్ లో.
खेल खत्म. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Same 1 2 3 అలాగో ఇది అలాగే సార్.
But it is question changed na. If you know the logic, everything is easy. If you know the logic, everything is easy. If you don't know the logic, everything is tough. If anyone see all these questions, answers, they will confuse. Yes or no? Every program will look like same except one letter. Agree my point?
Yes, sir.
One thing is changed completely. The output is changed. Can I share this? They are asking the same question but in a different way. Next question. Okay. Here. Oh, tough question. What is it? 1. I didn't read it out. It's not there. You're getting anything here?
4 5 అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Next.
3 4 5.
Next.
1 3 4 5.
ఏమైంది?
2 అదే 2 3 4 5 అనుకుంటా సార్ అది.
ఓకే మేబీ 2 3 4 5.
అది కింద 1 2 3 4 5.
1 2 3 4 ఓకే 1 2 3 4 ఐ థింక్
ఫస్ట్ది 5 అనుకుంటా సార్ అయితే.
ఓకే 5. ఓకే ఐ విల్ రీడ్ ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఫస్ట్.
వెనకాల నుంచి ప్రింట్ చేసుకుని వస్తుంది.
నో ఐ గాట్ ఇట్. What is the question? You tell me.
5. 5 sir.
Oh, okay. 5,
4 5.
4, 5. Like this, huh?
Yes sir, pyramid shape. 3 4 5 4 5.
4, 5. Next.
2 3 4 5.
Next.
1 2 3 4 5.
Can anyone try the code for this? It is a good question actually. Very good question. I told good question means it is good question. That's it. You try. You try without Google. Google em Rahul. No problem. Low battery, no power at home. When it will look like very tough question, but it is very easy. When you try. This is the question. Sage Priya. I will give you a hint. Sage Priya.
సార్ అక్కడ జే వాల్యూ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఎన్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం అనుకోండి. జే ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎన్.
You try. I will give the hints. No change of the I loop. It is for number of lines. Yes or no?
ఎస్ జే లూప్
Number of lines.
లైన్స్.
So how many numbers? J loop is also changing. Only printing is changing. So can you tell me the code for how many lines?
ఎన్ లైన్ ఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1
1 2.
ఎన్ లైన్స్.
Next loop is opened. How many numbers you print? The J loop. J is equal to 1 to I. Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్.
You are printing what?
ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి జే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు n2.
So this loop is changed. So J is equal to from which value?
హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఎన్ వాల్యూ.
So n to what? The beginning with 1 to
n2 ఐ.
huh?
ఐన్స్.
N2 J అనుకుంటా.
J లేదుగా మన దగ్గర. Yes, beginning with J is correct. Beginning with n correct.
N2 J కానీ I అని.
N2 I answer.
సరే N2 J సార్.
J is essentially J already initially here. Can anyone? Vinay? How many numbers? Where it is from? So here is observation.
సార్ N2 0 సార్.
No.
సార్ వాట్సాప్లో పెట్టేసి చూడండి సార్.
Sir, one more time.
Sir, J minus.
Check this.
J minus minus of which, sir?
The beginning with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
So it is also n is equal to wrong. So J will start at Priya. You tell me. So the ending is how to build the logic here. The ending is common for this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ending is J less than or equal to n is confirmed. Priya?
Yes, sir.
So J is initialized to in the beginning it is 5, 4, 3. So here the line number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here if it is 1 start with 5, if it is 2 start with 4, if it is 3 start with 3. So what is suitable here? So I is equal to 1, 2, 3. I is varying. It is also varying. So beginning with what?
N అనుకోండి సార్.
N1 or n minus I or n minus I plus 1. J is equal to n. If it is n, every time 5.
Yes, sir.
N minus I. So beginning with 4 plus 1. 5, 1, 1. Cancel. 5. Next I will become 2. 5 minus 2 plus 1. How much?
4.
5 minus 2.
4,
3
sir.
plus 1, 4. Okay, this is confirmed. Vinay.
సార్ నెక్లెస్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
N minus I plus 1.
అది కాదు సార్.
I will restart it. Okay, na problem.
J is equal to అది చెప్పండి సార్.
అమ్మా.
When I will restart it again. Okay. When the last number is not changing or not no changing na?
No change sir.
So no changing means J must be less than or equal to number of lines given n. Agree?
1. Yes sir.
What is the beginning of every line is changing. In the beginning it is beginning of the line number is 1. Agree? Line number is 1. Second line
2.
2. Third line 3. Fourth line 4. Fifth line 5.
Yes sir.
So if it is 1, it is 5. So that's why I am changing J is equal to, if you take n, it is 5, yes or no?
Yes sir.
So but every time is not 5. The next line 1, the next line 4, 3, 2, 1. So let us be
N minus
I.
N minus 1.
So 5 minus 1 how much?
5, 4.
4. So it is not 4 now, it is 5.
Yes sir.
So plus 1. Is it okay?
Okay sir.
So beginning with it is not J plus plus. It is
J minus.
J minus minus. What do you print? Print J. So yes, all of you got the logic here. How to build the logic here? We check it. Okay, n. The number of lines is no changing. So J is beginning with Vinay.
N plus 1.
minus
-1.
I.
Yes, sir, I.
Plus 1. J must be less than or equal to n.
N.
J minus minus.
Minus. Print G.
So printing percentage D. What you print?
J, sir.
So try for this. Oh my god. So where it is? I think the J must be
Greater value, sir.
yes.
Greater value, sir.
No, na. J must be less than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n only.
Sir layer friends.